How to install the Forex.com app on your Android phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Play Store. After you're in the store, tap on the search bar and search for Forex.com. In the search result, you will see the app with this kind of logo. The official app is developed by the Gain Capital Group LLC. So once you find this app, in the right hand side, you can see the install button. In order to download this app on your phone, you need to tap on this install button. Now the download process has begun. It might take few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After the download is complete, you will see this kind of open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So if you tap on open, it will directly take you to the app. This app has been successfully downloaded on your phone. Now you can create your account and start using this app. So that's a very easy process to install the Forex.com app on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.